What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carvinster Reg, and welcome back to another video. I told you guys I was going to show you guys the loaner, so here we go. The Lexus ES350, man. This car is clean. Let's just go ahead and do a little walk around on it real quick. And my bad about the wind noise, you guys. It's a little windy out here, but gotta make the video. Man, look how clean this car looks. Of course, I've driven it a little bit. It was a lot cleaner when I picked it up, but you know, you got, you know, the bug spots and all of that. You know, I've been mobbing this car for a couple of days. Today is Sunday that I'm filming this video, and I'll be driving this car all the way to Friday, so I still got a whole week left. So I think I'm gonna make probably 1 or 2 more videos on this car, but that's about it. I don't want to drag it too long, but look how clean this car is, man. Let's open up the doors so y'all can see inside, show y'all the back seat. Real spacious back here. Show y'all the front. We're gonna get more into like the interior in just a minute, so just bear with me. But yeah, man, the Lexus ES350. Now, what I'm not a fan of with this car is the big grille. I never really did like these grills. I feel like it should like stop like right here. That'd be pretty cool. And just have the rest of the bumper showing. I don't like the big grille look, but that's just me. I do like the headlights with the little Nike sign, the little swoosh sign. And then the back of the car. I love the back of the car. This car look clean in the back. Hence why I started in the back. This car is clean, bro. A nice silver. I think it's clean. So I want to show you guys how big this trunk is too. Y'all know me, man. I love bass, subwoofers, so this will be an ideal trunk for me. Look how big this is. It goes really deep too. This thing is clean. Of course, got my backpack back there. Let's go ahead and get into the inside so I can show you guys the inside, and then we're gonna drive this thing. So I just want to say that these seats are really, really, really comfortable. I just be cruising like this, just be kicking back, one hand on the wheel. Like, man, this thing is cool. But as y'all can see, man, you got all the little AC buttons right here, you know, the radio buttons, and you do have a cooling and heated seats, and you also have heated steering, and then you have cooling and heated seats on the passenger side. You also have 2 USB ports that you can use to charge your phone, and also a wireless charger to charge your phone, and it does work with the case. My favorite part about the interior of this car is this big screen, and it's like kind of angled towards you. It's like really driver focused. I really do like that. And I'm gonna turn the car on so you guys can see the graphics and all that. And then you do have a normal, sport, and eco mode, and then this is how you turn off the traction. And then a couple of buttons on the steering wheel, you know. Of course, you got cruise control and all the other stuff. And then I believe this is like lane assist, and this is to like sensors in the front. Like I say, y'all, I don't know too much about this car. And then you have memory seats over here. All the windows are auto. You also have paddle shifters, so we'll get into that in this video too as well. So let's turn it on. Look at the graphics on the screen now. This thing is cool. Lexus. But yeah, this is the speedometer, just a RPM gauge with the digital speedometer or whatever. You know me, I kind of like a classic speedometer. I'd rather have the analog miles per hour and then an RPM gauge together, but that's just me. So let's go ahead and swipe over with these features real quick. You got messages, I guess you got lane assist right here, your music, your radar, and then you have your range. Okay, tire pressure, I'll probably keep it right here. I like to see the range, how much gas mileage I'm getting. And then you got the vehicle setting. Now, like I mentioned, my favorite part of this car is the screen. Look at the graphics on this, and look how big it is. Like, you got this huge map right here, and of course we're in Apple CarPlay, so you know, I'm just showing you guys the graphics. This thing is Super duper clean, man. And this car also has navigation, so you don't have to have Apple CarPlay to have navigation in this car. So it has navigation. Of course, it has the Bluetooth for the phone. What's this? Okay. The AC. You got options with the AC. Comfort. Okay, you could turn everything on through the screen. That's clean. That is clean. Trip info. Okay. We got all these nice little gadgets on the ES350. Got all this stuff. Oh, we got Wi-Fi in the car too. That's clean. B gonna kill me because I didn't have a thing tilted. But look at the panel. Panel is crazy. So I'm actually jump out and show y'all what it looked like, because I personally like riding like this, but of course I can't ride like this on a video because y'all ain't gonna hear me. Look how clean that look. That thing looks so clean. I like how the roof goes back and it still tilts. Like a lot of cars, the roof would just go back, but it'll be down. But this car is still tilt, so that looks good, especially with the panel. That thing looked fire. This is probably my second favorite feature on this car, is the panel roof and how the way it slides and it still tilts. So that's what I do like about this car. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get on this road. We're gonna try the paddle shifters. We're gonna see what that do. Of course, we're gonna try sport mode, see what that do. And we're just gonna drive and just relax and talk about the whip. So let's get into that. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the driving portion of this video. This car does come with a 3.5 liter engine, 302 horsepower. So got good power, and it does have a 3.5 under the hood. All right, let's go ahead and start the car. That way y'all can see both of the graphics at the same time. I like that. I really do. Let's turn on the fan. All right, let's start this in normal driving mode. Let's get up out of here. And the ride of this car is really comfortable. This car has great suspension on it. But you can never go wrong with Lexus when you're talking about like the ride quality. They're always gonna be pretty good when it comes to the ride quality. But this car in particular has great suspension, great tires. It just feels good. Like you barely even feel any bumps. And I live around a lot of potholes and bumps. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but the streets is not like in good condition. So, you know, I barely even feel bumps and stuff like that. Feels real good. And then, like I said in the first part of the video, the seats feel amazing. I actually have the cooling seats on right now. I love that feature. I wish all cars had that feature. If you're gonna do heated seats, you gotta do cooling too. And then I can only imagine in the winter time when it's really cold outside, like 5, 6 in the morning, and the steering wheel is extremely cold and you turn on the heated steering. Amazing. I could say for me, having this car for a couple of days, I had this car since Friday. Like I said, I'm gonna have this car until next Friday pretty much. So I'm gonna have it pretty much for a whole week, and it's Sunday as I'm recording this video. I really do like this car. I really do like it. Also at the dealership, I had choices on what car that I want to get. I could have got an SUV, I believe an RX 350, I believe that's what it's called. I'm not too sure. I could have got a hybrid, I guess the ES350 hybrid, or the regular one. Of course, I chose the regular one. I want to make videos about it, so I don't really want to be in a hybrid. I could say with the gas mileage is not too bad. I actually put $30 in on Friday, and it didn't get it all the way to full, but it got it like almost there, and it's doing pretty good. And I've been driving this car around, man. Like I said, this is a loaner, so I'm taking advantage. It's pretty much a brand new car. I only got 4,800 miles on it, so let's go ahead and take it on the freeway. So smooth, man, so smooth. And you know me, I'm coming from cars that have loud exhausts like the G37 and the G35, so completely different driving this car because this car is absolutely quiet. You cannot hear this car whatsoever at all. Like when you even when you step on it, you could barely hear it. Like I hear the engine a little bit, but you can barely hear it. That's one thing about Lexus, man. They make their cars ultra quiet and ultra comfortable, and that's not a bad thing. I'm not saying that's a bad thing because not everybody like their cars loud. Personally, for me, I like my car, I don't like it like too loud, but I like it loud when you kind of get on it, you know what I'm saying? Like, open it up, I want to hear a little something. But this car is not, like, if you're buying this particular car, that's not what this is for. It's to have like a nice, comfortable ride, you know, a reliable car, and, you know, some good features to it and stuff like that. So it's not for like the sporty type of thing, like the G37 right there. Now the freeway is starting to kind of open up, so we're gonna open her up in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and put it in sports mode right now though. Oh, look how that changed. That's hecka clean. Graphics on here is clean. Let's change it back to eco. What about normal? Okay, so normal is all black, eco is blue. In sports mode, you got that white and then the red, of course. Okay, that's clean, that's clean, that's clean. Okay, Lexus, let's see what this thing got.
What do you want to do?
Oh, damn, okay, voice control. I guess I said Lexus and the thing started, so what do you want to do? It's crazy. Let's go ahead and give it some gas. This thing got it for sure. This thing got it. This thing got it. And like I said, when I did that pull, bro, like I heard a little bit of the engine. Like I said, I heard a little bit of engine. But this car is quiet. 5th gear pull. Ooh, okay. Let's drop it in 4th. Like I said, this car has 8 speed. So there you go, 8 speed. Hey, I like the paddle shifters, bruh. Makes you feel like you are driving a sports car. And like I said, when I was getting over and all that, like I said, sometimes I be in my zone to where I don't, you know, use my blinkers, and I kept on feeling the steering wheel vibrate like car. I know what I'm doing, but of course you don't know that, but I know what I'm doing. Let's drop it down a little bit, do another pull. Ooh, yeah, this car got it, man. This car got it. Put it back in D. It's no drive sport, nope. Only manual mode. All right, no sport mode, but just manual mode. That's cool though. But what I could say about this car, like overall, I really do like it. Would I buy it? No, at least not right now, because you know I'm more into the sportier cars, of course. But you know, if you are interested in like, you know, a luxury vehicle, and you know you like Lexus, or you just like the ES models, and you are looking for like a 2023, I can honestly say this is a great car. Like I said, you have the sport mode, normal mode, eco mode. You have a pano roof, which is really dope. A big trunk, a 3.5 liter engine, and this big screen. I really love that. And like I said, heating and cooling seats with the heated steering, which is a great feature. So you have a lot of features for this car. The seats are really comfortable. The ride quality is great. Suspension great. Brakes is great. If you are interested in this car, I definitely suggest you buy this car, because it is a nice car. It's just not for me, because I'm more into like the sports cars pretty much. But I could say after me driving this car, it kind of make me want to step up my car game up a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a like right now. Also comment and let me know what you guys think about the ES350. Let me know if you have one. Let me know if you have an older model one. Just let me know. Or just let me know about the video if you liked it, or if you didn't like it. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like I said, I just bought me a Lexus LS 400. This is a loaner car if you guys skim through this video. This is not my car. I just want to say it's not my car, but I just bought a Lexus LS400. It's in the shop right now, and I'm making content on that car. So if you guys are interested in LS content, definitely subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Look,